The anchor text is the clickable text, or in other words, links that users see and can click in your content. For example, in the bottom of this page, you can see different links. If I click on any of them, we will go to the corresponding page. To create a link, you need in your source code to place your anchor text within the anchor tag. On this slide, you see how the anchor tag looks like. As you see, the anchor tag has two main parts, the link referral location and the anchor text. The link referral location is a web address, or in other words, a URL of the page to which your users will go in the case they click on your link. As you see, the URL of a new page needs to be placed within the quotation marks. The anchor text of the link is the clickable text which tells users and search engines something about the page you are linking to. On this slide, you see how the anchor text looks like in both sources, on the web page and in the source code. Let's go to a real website and we'll look at its page source code. The current web page has a number of links. We can see its source code. Look at the anchor tag. With the link referral location, you can also place the anchor title attribute of the link. The anchor title attribute can hold your keyword inside, but more importantly, the anchor title helps people know more about the web page you are pointing out to, as it contains information about the nature of a linked page. As distinct from the link referral location, which indicates the link's destination, the anchor title attribute of a link is one of the neglected attributes. Very often developers don't place notice to the title attribute. You can have on your page two types of links, internal and external. Internal links send users to other pages on your website. Internal links helps users to find relevant content they are reading on the current web page and help search engines to understand your website structure and importance and relevance of each your page, and search engine spiders to easier crawl your website. The number of internal links to the page indicates its importance and relative to other pages on the site. External links send users to content on other websites. External websites, especially social media sites, might use the title tag of a web page as its link anchor text. You should create internal links to different pages within your site. External links are great for search engine optimization, but it is also important to create a web of links that provide intuitive navigation throughout your website. In both cases, internal and external links, the better your anchor text is, the easier it is for users to navigate your website and for Google and other search engines to understand what the page you are linking to is about. Both users and search engines prefer anchor text that is easy to understand. You should write descriptive anchor text. The anchor text you use for a link should provide at least a basic idea of what the page you are linking to is about. Search engines use the anchor text to determine the subject of the linked document. Avoid writing generic anchor text. The generic anchor text such as click here, go to, or go here will not tell both users and search engines what your linked pages are about. Choose the most relevant words. Linking to a relevant page is very important, as link relevancy is a metric that is used for determining page ranking. SEO-friendly anchor text is succinct and relevant to the target page. The link relevancy is determined by the content of the anchor text as well as by the content of the source page. If a number of links point to a page with the right keywords in their anchor text, that page has a very good chance of ranking well. So, choose the most relevant words for your anchor text. Avoid using text that has no relation to the content of the page linked to. Users don't like to visit pages that are not relevant to the text of link they clicked on. If your anchor text doesn't match the content of the linked page, you are not truthful, and as a result, your website's bounce rate will increase. Write concise anchor text. The anchor text should be short but descriptive. Usually, a few words or a short phrase is enough. Avoid writing long anchor text, such as a lengthy sentence or a short paragraph of text. Include keywords to your anchor text. The anchor text should contain keywords that are relevant to the target search terms, as it is an additional signal of the relevancy to the linked page. Insert important keyword phrases in your natural text and link them to relevant pages of your website. Avoid using anchor text oversaturated with keywords. Do not focus on the keyword-heavy anchor text, as this may cause Google to consider that you use the manipulative methods and, as a result, to scrutinize the site's link profile more closely. Use diversified anchor texts. Avoid having the same link within one page multiple times. If you use the same anchor text multiple times within the page or too many times within your website, it may be perceived by search engines as a signal of manipulation for this key phrase. It is recommended to use diversified anchor texts that can describe the same thing. Moreover, try to use the keyword anchor text only once, linking to the most relevant and important page for that particular piece of content. Write as naturally as possible. You should write naturally not only your web content but your anchor text within your content too. Your link should sound naturally. If you incorporate your anchor text without oversaturating, users will enjoy reading your pages and become your clients. Avoid placing the anchor text that sounds stilted and forced in your content, as this is a bad signal to users and Google. Your anchor text needs to be perfectly natural in your sentences. Create links so they are easy to spot. Make it as easy for users to distinguish between regular text and the anchor text of your links. Avoid using text styling that make links look like regular text. You should catch the user's eyes if you want they go to more specific content on your site. Also, avoid creating unnecessary links. Be sure that you use the right amount of links on your website and don't have an overabundance of links. Avoid using only image links or too many images for links when text links could serve the same purpose. Avoid having broken links, as your links are used for accessing a page. All the time when you are creating your links, remember, the better your anchor text is, the easier it is for users to navigate your website, and the higher your website might be ranked by search engines.